Welcome Primary 4. Today we want to discuss the triangle. We want to know the types of triangle and how to draw a triangle. We have two classifications of triangles. The first one is according to the measure of its angle. We have three types of triangle according to angles. The first type, if you have one right angle, in this case this triangle is called right angled triangle. The second type, if we have three acute angles, then the triangle is acute angled triangle. If you have one obtuse angle, then this triangle is obtuse angled triangle. Okay. So we have three types according to angles. Right angled triangle, it means one right angle and two acute. Acute angle triangle, the three angles are acute angles. Obtuse angle triangle, one obtuse angle. Another classification is according to the side length. If the side length, the three side lengths of the triangle are equal, in this case we call this triangle equilateral triangle. So the first type is equilateral triangle when the three sides are equal in length. The second type, isosceles triangle, when two sides are equal in length. Okay, if only two sides are equal in length, in this case we have isosceles triangle. Okay. The third one is a scalene triangle. Scalene triangle, the three sides are different. So again, we have three types of triangles according to the side length. The first type, equilateral, three sides are equal. Isosceles, two sides are equal. Scalene, the three sides are different. Okay, and we can notice the angles in equilateral, the three angles are equal also. So I'll divide 180 by 3, so each angle is 60. Here we have only two equal angles, and here the angles also are different. Okay, so the summation of measure of interior angles of any triangle is 180. If you add the three angles together, the result will be 180 degrees. Okay, how can we calculate the third angle of any triangle? For example, if you have a triangle, the measure of angle A is 60 degrees and the measure of angle B is 90 degrees. In this case, at first the type of this angle according to angles is right angle, because we have right angle here is 90 degrees. Okay, so this triangle is right angle triangle. But what is the measure of the third one? We said before the summation should be 180. So I'll add 60 plus 90, then I'll subtract the result from 180. So 180 minus 60 plus 90. Add 60 plus 90 at first, 150. Then 180 minus 150 equal 30. So the third angle is 30 degrees. Another one, if we have a triangle XYZ, where measure of angle Y 35, measure of angle Z 45. So what is the type of this triangle? We should at first calculate the third angle. Okay, 180 minus 35 plus 45. The result will be 100 degrees. So we have 35, 45 and 100. The type of the triangle determined by the greatest angle. What is the greatest angle here? The greatest angle is 100 degrees. So what is the type of 100 degrees? If the angle is 100 degrees, then this angle is obtuse angle. So the triangle is obtuse angle triangle. So the first one is right angle triangle, because we have a right angle. Here we have an obtuse angle, so this triangle is obtuse angle triangle. Okay, determine the type of triangle according to the measure of their angles. The first one, we have 30, 90, 60. We said before the greatest angle determine the type of the triangle. What is the greatest angle here? The greatest angle is 90. 90 is a right angle, so this triangle is right angle triangle. Okay, the measure here, the second one, 30, 40 and 110. What is the greatest angle? 110. It's an obtuse angle, so this triangle is obtuse angle triangle. The last one, 51, 67 and 62. Okay, what is the greatest angle here? We have 67. This is acute angle, so acute angle triangle. So to determine the type of a triangle according to angles, choose the greatest angle, and the type of this angle is the same as the type of the triangle. Now we want to draw a triangle if we have the length of two sides and the measure of one angle. For example, draw the triangle ABC, in which AB equal 5 centimeters and the length of BC is 4 centimeters and measure of angle B 60. Okay, let's start with AB 5 centimeters. So step 1, I'll draw a line segment of 5 centimeters and I name it as AB. This the first step, AB 5 centimeters. Okay, now let's move to the angle. So the first step, choose AB, which is 5 centimeters. Draw a line segment of 5 centimeters, name it AB, and write 5 centimeters. Now we have angle B. So I want to measure an angle B 60 degrees. Put the center of your protractor at B, then draw. Okay, put a point here at 60 degrees, then draw a line segment. Okay, BC equal 4, so from B to C 4. It means I'll measure 4 centimeters starting from B, then the point here is C. Okay, so I have AB 5 centimeters, measure of angle B 60, and finally I'll measure 4 centimeters and this point is C. Now join C with A, you have the triangle ABC. Okay, you can erase the rest here. So this is the triangle ABC. Again, we start with AB 5 centimeters. This is AB. Then we measure the angle 60, angle B. We put the center of the protractor at B. Then we measure 60. Then we know that BC is 4, so I measure 4 centimeters from B and I put the point C, then join C with E. Okay, so how to draw a triangle if you have the measure of two angles and the side length? For example, we have a triangle ABC. BC is 4 centimeters, so the first step, I want to draw BC, a line segment BC of 4 centimeters. This is BC and 4 centimeters. Then measure of angle B 30. So I'll put the center of the protractor at B, or we can start with C 80 and measure 80 degrees. So this is the angle C, which is 80 degrees. Okay, then we have angle B 30. So I'll put the protractor, the center at B, then draw 30 degrees. So this is the second angle, and now we have the point here, the intersection point here is A. So we have A, B, C. Then you can erase the rest here. Okay, that's all about our session today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have understand. Try to draw more and more triangles and solve more exercises. Next session we will talk about multiples in unit 3, lesson 1. Thank you very much and goodbye.